Here we are in southwestern Tuscaloosa. You can see the trees starting to get down on the other side of these houses. This is where the tornado really started to affect the city, because then you get on the other side of the street and there we go. Then the tornado just went ravaged, and this is where it started, and it went through Moody Swamp and then into Tuscaloosa, and then through the central area, the Forest Lake area of Tuscaloosa, and then into Alberta, and then into Holt, and then into the Hurricane Creek area, and then it just continued on its way towards Birmingham. Looking at this almost 2 months later out here with no help at all and no cleanup, you have to think, where do we go from here? Why is it taking this long? And what do we do to help it not take so long? We have resources. We are the United States. Just makes you think.
To change the world started with one step. However small, the first step is hardest of all. Once you get your gait, you'll be walking tall. You said you never did, 'cause you might die trying. 'Cause you might die trying. Close your eyes, because the house is on fire, and think you couldn't move until fire dies. The things you never did, 'cause you might die trying. 'Cause you might die trying. As good as dead, 'cause you might die trying. 'Cause you might die trying.
So we're driving through Alberta right now. This is a part of the city that we really haven't been in too much. Just kind of drove through, but I'm going to turn the flip around, let you see what has not happened and is happening here in Alberta.
If you give, you begin to live. If you give to live, you get the world. If you begin to live, you get the world. You get the world. If you begin to live, you might die trying. Oh, you might die trying. Yeah, you might die trying. The things you never did,